So first and foremost, I know that you guys see lately that I have been posting a lot of things oriented around the Black community and the injustices that are happening, because right now everybody needs to be aware. Everybody needs to know what's going on so that we can figure out what our next move is as a Black community, as Black people. For one, we know that it's time for us to come together because that is what we have been doing, but I think that it's beyond time now to actually start figuring out what the next step is, because we need to be 10 steps ahead of whatever this corrupt world and government and system has planned for us. I think it's past time that we realize why we are such an oppressed race. Whenever you think about it, we have everything that everybody wants, whether it be versatility, bodies, hair, looks, lips, whatever it is, we are the originators of it. So we need to start taking our power back, because at this point, we are powerful. We have been powerful, but we're so divided and we're so oppressed that we fall into the traps that the government and the world and people and everything, what they set for us to divide us, we fall for it every single time. And it's about time we start making some changes, and I'm about to tell you how and what should be done. Like, at this point, if you want to riot, I get it. We're angry. We're tired. We're upset. Peaceful protest, I get it. I'm actually about to participate in one on Saturday. I get it. All these things are things that need to be done, but let's talk real. Let's talk real. Let's talk money. At the end of the day, the main reason why we are so oppressed is because we don't have the capital. The way the world has been set up and the way that the America is so black and white, automatically the majority of us, our skin tone, is going to be in the middle to low to completely poor class automatically. And that's just because that's how they set it up. We're so oppressed that it's very rare that a Black person breaks generational curses. And I think at this point, what really needs to be happening is it needs to be more of us, more Black people that are millionaires, more Black people that have the capital to invest into other Black businesses, to invest into social injustices and freaking nonprofit organizations, create nonprofit organizations. It needs to be more of us that have the ability to make change. It's not enough of us. It's a lot of them, but it's not a lot of us. It's a lot of millionaires on their side. It's not a lot of millionaires on our side, but we are smart. We are talented. A lot of their ideas come from us. A lot of the things they do is because of us. It's time for us to find a way to break the generational curses in our family, in our Black community, and in the world, period. It's past time. But the thing about it is, you have to change your mindset. You have to stop being so, what's so funny is, and crazy at the same time, is when it comes down to Forex, I hear so many people talk so negative about it, especially in the Black community. But at the same time, on the same token, almost everybody in this industry that has become a millionaire is Black. All jokes aside, do some research, y'all. The richest Forex traders, the most profitable. Don't get me wrong, we're not the only people that are in this industry, but the ones that are taking over it and changing their lives fast as hell, we're Black. We're Black. So it's time for you to change your mindset. Stop bashing something that is making our people rich. We need more of our people rich. How are we going to go up against big corporations and white people that oppress Black people if we ain't got no money? How? How can y'all talk about somebody trading Forex when we need people with money? Don't get me wrong, there's always going to be a need for someone to work a job. There's always somebody gonna have to flip the burger at McDonald's. Somebody gonna have to stock the groceries at Walmart. Somebody gonna have to answer the phones at call centers. That's just how the world continues to flow. However, how can y'all fix y'all's mouths to talk about black people getting rich when the main reason we are oppressed successfully by the government and by white people that oppress us is because of the fact that we don't have no money. They feel superior because we ain't got it like that. We ain't got it like them. You go to the nice communities, the biggest houses, 90% of that community is not going to be people like us. Please don't get me wrong. Not every white person is bad. I'm talking about those white people that specifically oppress our people. I'm not talking about I'm not talking about that. And no, I'm just saying the people that actually oppress us, they're successful in their eyes at doing so because of the fact that we can't go up against them when it comes to their pockets. At this point, it's time to start shopping in our community, buying clothes from people in our community, buying hair, getting your nails done, find black-owned restaurants. It's time for us to get rich. It's our time now. It's 2020, and what's crazy is the things that we're going through right now, it's not things that my mom went through. It's things that my grandmother went through. And back then, they separated them and did not give them the opportunity to get education, to get good jobs. They had them in terrible situations, but now we have so many different ways to get to the top. Like they can't stop us, y'all. The only thing that stops you is your mindset, your intellect. The fact that when a black person is trying to get rich, y'all gotta talk about them instead of supporting them, instead of joining. I put this Forex shit in y'all face every day, and y'all let a $235 sign up fee and a $175 monthly fee stop y'all from being rich. When I tell y'all that $175 come out of my account and I don't even miss it, I don't even see it's gone, I don't even notice it's gone. Like, y'all let so many things stop y'all, and it's so crazy because we have a lot of things against us, and it's sad that even when things are put in your face, you still run away from it. But that's why we're in the situation that we are in. So the least you could do, if you're going to go to work every day, which is nothing wrong with that, the least you could do is spend your money with black people. That's the least you can do, because it's time for us to get rich. It's time for us to really be able to come up against these folks. It's past time. We're the millennials, and we got this. So let's show them that we can put our money where our mouth is. Next step, rioting, check. Protesting, check. What's next? Next step, question mark. We can talk. We can get loud. We can riot. What is next? We need capital. That's why so many people don't know what the next step is. Because we ain't got no money. That's my spiel for today.